Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the Glam Squad. If y'all are new, also make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for more and hit that like. All right, thanks. Y'all, I don't know why our girls be trying to fight us and sometimes the son too. Like, they don't want you touching their hair sometimes. But then they end up loving it when it's done.
Hi, it's good.
Okay, y'all, so here I'm just showing like you gotta really take your time when you brushing in that jam, because sometimes the patches be showing up and it be looking real, unkept. So I find like if you just take your time and brush it in slowly, it's gonna look like those sleek ponytails like when you go to the shop. Okay, y'all. After this, she started getting so restless after this clip, so I had to just go ahead and finish off camera while she was taking a nap, y'all. So stay tuned for the videos and pictures at the end. All right, thanks, y'all. Love y'all, and don't forget to hit that subscribe. Bye-bye. Okay, y'all. This is Miss Sydney here, Mama. y'all, she is so sleepy, so I'm about to finish the rest off camera, and then I'll be back with some videos and pictures and all that kind of good stuff.